I'm having a blast right now. It's only day one. Madison wants me to take it easy on it, but I just want to let her rip. Oh. I'm gonna put it in low and we're just gonna crawl through it. We're not gonna be too aggressive. Just take our time. You guys keep an eye on it, see what's going on.
Sounds like a plan. Front, see how it reacts.
Yeah, no, I think it'll be fine. There's some big holes in here, so let's try not to get too undercut right off the get-go. Performance is great. I mean, the thing has tons of travel. I mean, I didn't feel like the truck was even getting light anywhere through the course. So really stable, works just like I want it to. It's gonna be awesome.
Is it in 4 high? What does it say now?
It's in 4 high, 4 low. Doesn't say 4 low.
Electronical control of the 4-wheel drive, not the best.
It was not flashing 4 low when we first started, so whatever he did made it go to 4 low. I guess 4-wheel drive motor that engages the 4-wheel drive, a little disconnect motor in the front. We're not sure exactly what's going on with that, so they're gonna try to pull it apart and see if we can get it working or something. Maybe we can manually shift it somehow. But I don't like all this electronic gadgetry. I'd rather just have like a shift delete kit so we can just go full manual on this thing. No more electronics.
He's just moving it around and then it'll and it'll pop.
Hit the wire or pin or whatever and it'll actuate. And then your light will stop blinking.
That's probably why we're not getting 4 low, because it doesn't think that this is actuated, which it's not.
Look at the connector itself. Look at the connector that plugs into it, maybe.
He just wiggled it around. It's not.
Can you see all the pins? Like there's a pin that like pushed out or something.
Here, you look at it.
Go back faster. Yeah. A little bit faster. Slow, nice and slow. You're gonna drag it, but slow. Right there. Dookie.
Use it.
What do you think, Master?
Well, I had to go off without my seatbelt. It was choking me out, and then I took it off, and then I couldn't get it to unlock again. So it's not what I wanted to do, but it worked out good.
Oh, you got it. We got it. Yeah.
What's it doing?
What I think it's doing is you got that rod in between the two, and the rack is pushing out, and it's so far down that it's too steep, and it's just kind of pushing it in and flexing like that, and pushing that, basically the top mounting point of that tie rod up slightly. Here, Armin, you want help?
Take that Bugatti out of here.
Sweet when you don't have to deal with it.
Yeah.
We got the new long travel kit on. We got new steering rack on. Lots of modifications on the truck right now. So at the end of the day, I mean, we're learning right now, right? We're learning what works, what doesn't work. And so I'm really glad both of the design guys are here at this event. It's a really good learning experience. We're not that far off the mark with a lot of things. There's just 2 or 3 different things that are sort of, kind of coming together, causing a little bit of a problem, but they're making the adjustments now. They're gonna make a few adjustments to the suspension, a couple adjustments to drivetrain, and then one little tweak on the steering, and we should be good to go. I think we'll have everything worked out. Should be good tomorrow. Glad we came a few days early to work out the bugs, but that's how it is. Something new, you gotta work it out. It feels really great. I mean, I've driven solid axle rigs for the majority of my life. Did some racing with an IFS car in Ultra 4, but this truck is so comfortable to drive right now. I mean, it really is performing great. It's going to be a wonderful kit for rock crawling. This should take us out to the main road that goes to the center of the park.
I don't see anywhere for that thing to go.
It's got to go somewhere over there. Does it go to the engine block or something?
Did you get hearing protection?
I got one ear. I'm gonna stand on this side of you.
Okay.
Out of the way. That's the rock in the back. Don't worry about it. Just get on the tracks and keep going. It's just chasing you.
Yeah. Let's boogie back to camp.
Yeah, boogie.
Something happened.